a long waited bird in my hands, and
congratulations Pradeep for the new drone.
currently we are on our way to Bangalore. So the plan that we have done is especially to get the drone from Bangalore, which is with a friend of mine. Then why waste time? Let's go.
So I have reached Bangalore, and here I am going to collect an important parcel that I have been waiting for months to get it right now.
I got the message and I left to his apartment at 10:20 sharp.
Talking and you shut the door, goddamn. Like what are we still talking for, yeah.
After reaching Bangalore, I informed my friend that I have reached Bangalore and I can collect the drone tomorrow. But the thing is, the day was Friday evening, and everybody in Bangalore plans for a short ride or a long ride because since it is a weekend and again a long weekend, everybody is like off from Bangalore, and they want to go to other places to travel.
Hey, what is up everybody? So I'm here to collect my bird.
Even for bikes there is a toll in Electronic City. So at this particular point of time, what I did is I messaged my friend. So he told that his friend who is staying in his apartment, so he is going on a ride tomorrow, that is on Saturday morning, and he will come back like late in Monday or Sunday night. So you have to go and collect the drone.
The front building is the one where I will get my bird. फ्रेंड से पार्सल कलेक्ट करना था.
Parcel.
तो गौरंग भाई इधर है.
Hello.
So I'm collecting my bird, DJ's Park.
His friend who is staying in apartment, his name is Gaurang.
Mystic rider Pratik is not here, so I'm getting my bird with Gaurang bhai.
As you can see, the time is 10:30 there, so that is how I was too excited to get the bird that I was waiting since long 4 months.
So it's totally late, 10:30. I think Gaurang bhai is going on a ride tomorrow.
Yeah.
So 4 baje ja rahe, and that is why I came. Otherwise, I would have come tomorrow morning.
वही ना, मैं सुबह ही निकल रहा हूँ, वही निकल रहा हूँ 3 बजे.
And even I reached Bangalore today.
And there you go, the drone, the bird that I was waiting for. It is right in front of me. Thank you Mystic Rider Pratik for giving me such an opportunity to get the drone, the bird that I was waiting for. And
देखो अभी गौरंग बाइक को छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ हम. So I've collected my drone and spoke a little about few logger things with the bike. So अभी ये होने के बाद अभी जाएंगे घर और देखेंगे थोड़ा हमारे बर्ड को. See you there on the road again. And देसी जुगाड़ of carrying the drone now.
so I had to make some jugaad to carry the bird because I did not had this top box because of the situation that I had before.
So this is Electronic City. There is a toll gate even for bikers there. So while coming I had to pay 20 rupees for the flyover that I used.
The streets of Bangalore, the main thing in Bangalore is you have to wait at every signal. It goes green red all the time. To be frank, I have already explored the bird a little bit, but in front of the camera I have to do it again. So here is the unboxing of the bird that I've got from Mystic Rider Pratik. So DJ Spark. Open ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So I can see there is a leather bag. There is a leather bag and a box, and there is one more box which I want to open it first. A small box which looks like a necklace box, but there is nothing inside. Pratik bhai has actually given everything as it is, and manual. Don't want to waste much time. Let's keep everything safely inside again as Pratik bhai has given us. The main box. Oh, ulta. DJI box. Inge. DJI. We have got 2 batteries, 2 additional propellers, because this is a fly more combo set, so we are getting 2 additional propellers and 1 extra battery. Drone, obviously. Let's explore it again more. There is one more bag which is given in a leather bag, and there is the controller. Oops, okay. The controller with the mobile holder. There is recording option, there is camera option, there is camera turn option, and I have not explored this button. I will do it soon. And the antennas. So we will have to test this. Let us fly our drone again.
It's our time to shine. Yo, that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And though I am not going through life regretfully, I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some more job just to live life presently.
I am certainly in love with this bird that I have collected from Mr. Pratik. We will explore more, and beautiful places will be covered. Keep watching, stay tuned until next vlog, and more beautiful vlogs coming on the way. Keep supporting.
So let me break it all down for you.